So before this video gets started, if you were an Uber or Lyft driver and you want to make up to an extra $100 per month, you can now use the link below to sign up for Play Octopus and they will send you this box for free. And they're pretty much nationwide now, so you can sign up. And this is what they send you. They send you a tablet for you to put in the back of your headrest so your passengers can play games on it. Or they can just sit there and look at the ads. They don't even have to play the games. And you as a driver make extra money simply by putting this in your car for free. So if you're a driver for Uber and your Lyft, you have to get Play Octopus now. There's free money waiting for you. So use the link below to sign up. You won't regret it. Now let's get started with the video. A lot of drivers are banding together now and basically doing this thing where if you get a low paying ride that's not worth it, they're denying him. Because basically this is an effort so Uber will pay more per ride. What do you think about that?
That's interesting. So, wait, so with this particular ride...
This is a video. This is a video of a guy showing all the rides he's declining. Or he's declined. We can go through them real quick. You want to look at the first one?
Yeah, so... Wow, it was telling him to go somewhere 14 minutes away for a 9-minute drive. And wait, so 946 is how much?
That was the pay. So he had to drive 6.8 miles just to pick him up, and then go on another 3.33 miles. So yeah, it's a 25-minute ride for 11.
You get almost $10
for 12 miles. For $9, yeah.
That's not terrible.
I've seen worse. This one.
Yeah.
8 miles away, plus 24 miles. This is 40 minutes of driving and almost 40 miles, 33 miles for $70. That's
That's still terrible because you could still be making like over 20 an hour at that rate.
Yeah, but you're putting on 32 miles on your car.
That's true. Yeah.
So it's like 50 cents a mile.
Yeah.
22 minutes for $10. Yeah, I mean, I don't know. I might take that one. $5 for a 12-minute ride. I mean, you might get a tip on that one and hit your little bonus there. Yeah, so yeah, basically, I mean, these ones are super low. $5.
Yeah. And this is all in the Bay Area?
Yep, East Bay. $6 for, 15 minutes.
Yeah, I guess like for like the Bay Area standards, this is pretty low.
You can't make a living with like $6 for like a 20-minute ride.
Yeah.
Because then you maybe get 2 of those in an hour. That's $12. How are you going to pay your rent? That's like $3,000 a month for like an apartment.
Yeah. Also, and the time is kind of just an estimate because like by the time you get there, you could be waiting a couple minutes.
Oh, easily. They're hardly ever ready. It's a miracle if they're standing outside waiting for you.
Yeah.
Literally, maybe one in 5 are probably ready. Maybe a little bit less. Maybe 1 in like 7. Comment below how many people are ready. But like most of the times they're inside. They're inside watching TV, hanging out with their buddies. And they order the Uber, and then once the ride gets there, then they wait for the notification. Half the time they're not even near their phone, and so you got to call them.
Yeah. Oh, and then they'll message you and be like, "Oh, I'm just coming down the elevator," but then they're like, they don't come for like 10 minutes.
But really, they're in bed or like, yeah. So that's that. Again, quick shout out to our sponsor, Play Octopus. Again, if you're an Uber or Lyft driver and you want to make an extra up to $100 per month, you can use the link below and they'll send you your free tablet to put in your car, and you as a driver get to make extra money. Use the link below Talk to you guys soon.